Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Namaskar. Greetings of the day, my dear learners. And today again we are back. Back to discuss what? Yes, Indian aesthetics with special reference to Indian classical dance Kathak. Dear learners, what did we discuss yesterday? We discussed about certain components of Tal, like Tal, Sam, Matra, Tali, Khali, Vibhag or division or Khand. We discussed all these terminologies, definitions. Today we'll move a little further. In Tal and related concepts, we'll discuss two more terminology or definitions. One is Avartan. If you remember, yesterday when we were discussing the other terminology, repeatedly I was speaking about Avartan, that's a cycle. The complete cycle of a tal is known as avartan, which is generally repeated throughout the performance. When a dancer performs so many avartans, cycles, if we talk about teen tal, 16 matras, 16 beats, that make one avartan. Now, when a performer performs, maybe certain compositions, bandish, toda, tukda, kavit, that may run for few avartans altogether. And when matter comes to the complete performance of a dancer, so many avartans. So simply again if we say what is avartan? Avartan is a complete cycle of tal. Now 16 matra for teen tal. If tal like jap tal, that's for 10 matra. Ek tal 12 matras. Damar tal 14 matras. So they are the avartan or cycle of tal. Next is toda. Now this toda, this term very frequently you'll come across. Toda is a composition of specific bowl of Kathak, which begins at some and after or many avartans of tal again lands at some. Yesterday, if you remember, when we were discussing summer, we discussed that generally any toda, tukda, kavit, any bandish, any composition that starts with some and that ends with some, completes at some. So it's a complete cycle starting here, the complete cycle or avartan and ends again at some. So that is toda. Dear learners, not today, but in our next session, we shall discuss about various types of todas also. One would wonder that when first year you are, in first semester you are learning toda, you may learn Kathak for 10 years, on 10th year also you would be learning new todas. So toda, lot of variations are there. We'll discuss about it in detail in later session. We'll discuss few other basic terminologies of Kathak. Now you see, whenever I'll be talking about toda later on, maybe the types of toda, sada toda, chakradar toda, types of toda, then primallu, what is. At that time, surely I'll discuss, elaborate on all these terms. But here I'm simply introducing you to these terms. Now in Kathak terminology, other term is tihai. T, we have trilogy of God. So trilogy, tri, talks about three. Three, Dev, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Three means three. In the same way, when we say Tihai, it talks about something 3 times. Try to understand. Tihai is formed by certain collective words, bowls. That's a phrase, group of words, group of phrases, a cluster of tabla or dance syllables, bowl. There may be tabla bowl also and dance bowl also. Now you would be wondering, what is tabla bowl and what is dance bowl? Wait, I'm breaking the term and I'm explaining you. Tabla bowl is theka bowl. Da din, din na, dagete tagate. Yeah, these are tabla bowls. Pakhavaj bowl. Ditta, dedeta, ditta, dedeta, dagatita, dagatita, kradatita, dagatita. Tabla and pakhavaj bowl. Da din, din, datita. So these are tabla and pakhavaj bowls. Nritya bowls, nritya syllables, they are ta thai thai tata, a thai thai tata. So ta thai thai tat, a thai tat. These are nritya bowl. So many a time the phrases, bowls, syllables of either tabla or pakhavaj, or this is tabla, pakhavaj, mridang, or maybe nritya. They are taken 3 times, ending with sama. Tihai may start from sama or any matra, but it should end at sama. Now try to understand. Many times people what think? Try to understand, this is very, very important. If we are thinking about teen tal. Now in teen tal, tihai is of 16 matras. Tihai may start on first matra and may end on 17th, that is again first matra. Now there is a possibility that one tihai may run for 4, 5 avartan also, many a times 1 avartan, 2 avartan. Many a times, the learners or dancers, they do agar 16 matra, teen tal is there, they will choose a phrase which is of 16 matras. Dear learners, pay attention. Group of bowl, syllables, cluster of those bowls or syllables, phrases, 16 matras once, second avartan, 16 matras second avartan, third 16 matras third avartan, ending at sam. No, my dear learners, my dear dancers, would-be dancers, that is not tihai. Why? Because tihai, every in trilogy, in this 3 high, that 3 parts, same cluster, same words, same bowl, same syllables, be it tabla, pakhavaj, nritya, the same will be taken 3 times. First starts or may not start. Try to understand. The first group may not start from the sum. But the last one has to end on sum. This is one condition. Second condition, the second and third group cluster, the same one we are taking for the first time, we are taking for the second time, we are taking the same bowl for the third time. When we speak, utter, do padant, second time and third time, generally they do not start with sum. Then only tihai. If every bowl, every first time also it starts with sum, ends with sum, maybe second time starts with sum, that is not tihai. Because then every bowl, every syllable, every padant, every bandish, that composition can be converted into tihai. So that is not tihai. Let me explain you. For example, simple bandish I am presenting to you, tihai. Tihai can be presented in teen tal, madhyalay also, drutlay also. So many a times when things are presented in drutalaya, in teen tal, they become of 8 matras. They are presented in 8 matras. Why? Because with the speed, tempo, the composition gets converted into 8 matras. 16 matra, 8 twos are 16. So 16 gets half and it becomes 8 matras. So now listen. Tathe thetat athe thetat tat, tathe thetat athe thetat tat, tathe thetat athe thetat ta. Now this, the same bowl, these are nritya bowl. Tathe thetat athe thetat tat, tathe thetat athe thetat tat, tathe thetat athe thetat ta. Now I'll explain you. I will not start with sama. Now you know what is teen tal because I explained you. Now try to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Tate tat ate tat tat. Tate tat ate tat tat. Tate tat ate tat ta. Now what I did? The first khand 4 matra, the second vibhajan, division or khand 4 matras, they go as it is. I start the tihai 3 times starts on which matra? Listen, this is 4. This is 4. This is, yes, ninth matra. So I start with ninth and it ends at again some, that is first matra. Now the same bowl, as we are not much elaborating, the same bowl can be of tabla also or pakavajas also. How? Dagatita gadigana da, dagatita gadigana da, dagatita gadigana da. So dagatita gadigana da, dagatita gadigana da, dagatita gadigana da. Tihai. Tate tetat ate tetat tat, tate tetat ate tetat tat, tate tetat ate tetat ta. This is tihai. My dear students, I'm sure now you're clear about it. The practicals help you to understand things obviously in a better way. Now, there are 2 types of tihai. One is damdar tihai and second is bedam tihai. Now try to understand what is dam. No, we say something, Are dam liya kar. Dam liya kar. Dam. That's a space, some space. कुछ जगह छोड़ देनी है. So when we say damdar tihai, when a gap or break of certain matras is taken between every avartan of tihai, it is known as damdar tihai. Now this is avartan of tihai, not avartan of tal. Tihai avartan is one bowl, one cycle is one part of tihai, second cycle of that bowl, and then third avartan, third. So same bowl 3 times, as we said, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta ta. Now, dam means we take break. Tate teta ate teta tat, tate teta ate teta tat, we chhod. Datrika dikita da ta da, datrika dikita da ta da, datrika dikita da ta da. Now this is damdar. Datrika dikita da ta da, datrika dikita da ta da, datrika dikita da ta da. Now this is damdar. Why? Because I left a matra in between. Datrika dikita da ta da. This is cluster of syllables, phrase, bowl. 3 times. But there is a gap in first, second, third. Dagatita gadigana dakat dakat da. Dagatita gadigana dakat dakat da. Dagatita gadigana dakat dakat da. There is a break, there is a gap. So this is known as damdar tihai. Dam, break. Next is bedam tihai. Now you know what is bedam tihai. There is no, no my dear, don't say that bedam means 2 times dam or 2 breaks. No. Bedam means without break, without pause, without matra in between. When the tihai is done or taken continuously 3 times without any gap or any break, it is called bedam tihai. Digin tak da, 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 digin tak da. Overlap. Digin tak da, 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 digin tak da. Overlap. So there is no gap. So it is known as bedam tihai. Tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta ta. My dear learners, did you observe something? 2 tihai I would recite. Pay attention. First tihai. Tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta ta. This is tihai. Now listen the second version of the same tihai. Tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta tat, tate teta tate teta ta. What is the difference? Yes. the first time in Tihai, the same syllables 3 times. Now, the same syllables 3 times, that is Tihai. But second Tihai, what did I do? I did something different. What I did? I took this Tihai as one bandish, one avartan. And then the same 3 times, I took 3 times. I repeat, one bowl syllables, group of syllables, 3 times makes Tihai. The same Tihai 3 times, that makes Chakardar Tihai. Chakardar Tihai is again a type of Tihai. One Tihai taken for 3 times is Chakardar Tihai. Again, one bowl, syllables, group of words taken 3 times is Tihai. One Tihai taken for 3 times is Chakardar Tihai. I'm sure my kiddos, learners, dear would-be dancers, you're clear about the concept, definition of Tihai. Right now, we are going to discuss only the definition of Hasta Mudra, hand gestures. We are not going into detail of it. Before you understand, this is my hand. Now, in dance, the hands play vital role. The hands work as language, parallel language. Do you realize only this particular movement, technical way. Now this particular movement, so many different interpretation, conveys different set of messages. So in dance, hand gestures, hasta, hand means hasta. So hasta mudras, they play vital role. They play vital role. First definition of Hasta Mudra. It refers to the hand gestures or positions used in various Indian classical dances. They're the positions. How positions? For example, when you say this, here is it conveys different message. But when you say like this, it conveys different message. When you say, it conveys different message. Now you say the same, but it conveys different message. Now, when I do like this, it is for different. When I do like this, it is for different. That means they are the positioning of hands, positioning of fingers, positioning of palm. So that is positioning. This is something different. This is positioning. Where you position it, that matters. They are generally stylized hand gestures, stylized, capped, presented in particular style, very stylistic, stylized hand gestures. There are 2 types of hand gestures of Hasta Mudras. One is asanyukta. Now, you will have to understand what is a sanyukta to understand asanyukta. Sanyukta means join. Something in collaboration, join. Sanyukta, joined. Asanyukta, not joined. So when we talk about asanyukta, in which only one hand is used to present use certain hasta mudras, hand gestures to convey certain message, only one hand, asanyukta, not sanyukta, not joined. So one hand. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartari, Mukha. So these are one. Are you getting it? Yes. This is asanyukta. The hand gesture or Hasta Mudra formed using one hand is known as a Sanyukta Hasta Mudra. Now, dear would-be dancers, what is Sanyukta Hasta Mudra? I know everybody knows it is using both the hands, the hand gestures or Hasta Mudra formed using two hands. They are known as Sanyukta Hasta Mudra. 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 Using two hands. But you would be wondering that only definitions will not do. You will have to understand and remember the names of the fingers and thumb. Why? Because when you will define, if I say Pataka is a hand gesture where Tarjani, Madhyama, Anamika, Kanistika are kept together and Angusta touches to the Tarjani. Now tell me, show me how the Pataka is made. Till the time you do not understand the names of the thumb and fingers, you will not be able to remember, understand the mudras also. So this is known Angusta. 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 This is Tarjani. The first finger is Tarjani. This is a middle finger. So middle finger is Madhyama. This is Anamika. Anamika. Very pious because we do tilak with Anamika also and with Angusta also. And Sabse Choti, the smallest one, Kanistika. This is Kanistika. I'll repeat. Angust, Tarjani, Madhyama, Anamika and Kanistika. So, today, my dear learners, what you understood, learned is, what is Toda Tal? What is Avartan? Tihai, types of Tihai. And you understood, try to have a glance, understanding, brief understanding of what is Hasta Mudra, what is Sanyukta Hasta Mudra, what is Asanyukta Hasta Mudra. Yes, in later session, we would be learning, we would be discussing various types of Hasta Mudras, Sanyukta, Asanyukta, all types of Hasta Mudras. Keep on dancing. Life is all about dancing. Dance is celebration of our own existence. And just listen. The rivers are dancing. The air is dancing. The leaves on tree, they are dancing. The birds are chirping. They are singing, they are dancing. Till the time we can dance, we feel the God within us, Shivoham, Shivoham, Shiva Swarupam. So keep on dancing, keep on learning, and keep on celebrating your own self. Wish you all the best learning. Have a nice time.
स्वाध्यायः